How to reset app layout to default on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Once you're here, scroll down until you find the General option and tap on it. General manages your overall setup and preferences for iPhone, such as software updates, device language, CarPlay, AirDrop, and more. From the General menu, scroll down to the very bottom and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. On the next page, select the Reset option. From the menu, choose Reset Home Screen Layout. As you can see, a confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap on Reset Home Screen to finalize the process. Following these steps, you can easily reset the app layout to default on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.